In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can loop a song on Spotify. So if you want a particular song to play continuously, the best thing to do is to go ahead and loop it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, now I have here a song and I like this song to repeat again and again once it gets to the end. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to this logo here, the loop logo which is here, and then tap on it. Now if you leave it this way, it will not loop this song, but it will proceed to the next song. To make it loop, tap on it again or press and hold, and now you can see it is written 1. So this means it will only play this one song repeatedly. Now whenever this song gets to the end, it will go ahead and begin afresh. That is it. It will repeat continuously again and again. So that's how you loop a song on Spotify app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.